Hello, this is Ankit Mundra presenting my project titled Enhancing Value Through Digital Financial Solutions in the Iron and Steel Industry. In our company, the absence of an ERP system has created challenges like fragmented data, manual inefficiencies, and delayed decision making. These issues are costing us valuable time and impacting operational effectiveness. Through detailed analysis, I found that adopting an ERP system can reduce data errors by 40% and shift 80% of processes from manual to automated, significantly improving efficiency. Competitors using ERP systems have seen faster reporting, better financial oversight, and enhanced decision making, giving them a competitive edge. Implementing a tailored ERP solution like SAP or Oracle, along with training programs and a phased rollout, can transform our financial processes. While initial costs and change management pose challenges, the long-term gains in accuracy, efficiency, and profitability far outweigh these hurdles. With ERP, we can drive meaningful change in our industry. Thank you.